Hi guys, it's Art, ForeignMRE.com, and today we've got this awesome MRE sent to us from Sticky Fingers 745. This is a menu 22 chicken and dumplings. I'll give you a little history about this. It started production in 2009 and ran through 2011. And in 2012, it was replaced with the Asian beef strips. And this has a date code on it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it says 8322, which is the 322nd day of 2008. But in 2008, this would have been Sloppy Joe. So we'll open up, see what we have inside. We'll look at the date codes on everything inside. And the peelable seal works really well. A lot of times I have trouble getting into these things. Okay. Whew. Finally, got the beverage bag, got the flameless ration heater.
Hey, this is a contest video. Your prize? One of these French snack boxes, one of our customs rations. Everything's inside, except the main. Good luck.
Got the sport, which everybody knows we're not going to use. We have a strawberry dairy shake powder. And we have grape jelly. Whoa, chunky peanut butter. Chocolate covered coffee beans. A wheat snack bread. Got the accessory pack, got a shortbread cookie, and we have the main, the chicken and dumplings. And then we have the accessory pack. First thing we have, Taster's Choice, napkins, moist towelette, the non-dairy creamer, got the salt, set that to the side. I'm gonna use that in the flameless ration heater. 2 pieces of gum, which I hear also contains a laxative, package of sugar, book of matches. These matches are designed especially for damp climates, but they're not light when they're wet or have long exposure, several weeks to very damp air. And we have a bottle of Tabasco sauce. So give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, so let me get the shortbread cookie out. And that's a huge cookie. Got the chocolate covered coffee beans. Never had these before. Huh, chocolates. And then we get our snack bread out. Okay, and before I get to the powdered drink here, let me get the main going. The chicken and dumplings. And as you can see, the date code on this is the 277th day of 2008. But when I looked it up on the internet, 2008 would have been the Sloppy Joes, so not clear on this one. Slide the main down, put some water in. Looks good enough. Get our salt. Hopefully it'll take off. Slide it back inside the sleeve. And I can feel it, it's starting to get hot. And we'll set this off to the side. Moving on. Got the coffee in the ForeignMRE.com mug. I can hear that flameless ration heater boiling the water. Taster's Choice looked good. I didn't see any mold in it. Put the sugar in without making a mess. And we'll take the ForeignMRE.com spork and stir it up. I don't know if you can see that or not, but we've got some steam coming out of the main. Okay, now for the strawberry dairy shake. It says to put in 6 ounces of water or a quarter of a canteen. Let's see if we can get 6 ounces in here. We seal this. Fold this over, give it a shake. Let's put it in the glass, see what we have. And man, this smells good. Still got the main going. So while we're waiting on that, let's try a little of the chunky peanut butter. It's very good. Let me try a little grape jelly with that. Try a little grape jelly by itself. Oh, it's pretty watery. That is very good. And let's try one of these chocolate covered coffee beans. It doesn't taste like an M&M. And here's what it looks like on the inside. And it does taste like a coffee bean. Pretty neat. Okay. Straighten up my mess here. Go ahead and get the main out. It's still heating. Man, this is very hot. And it's just a few minutes that it's been in there. Okay, let me, I'll bring you back in just a minute after I get it out. Okay, got everything out now. Open up the Tabasco. I'm looking forward to trying some of this 10-year-old Tabasco sauce. Okay, so it looks like the chicken and dumplings. Looks like some nice chicken, kind of shredded. We got some peas, a lot of potatoes, and a lot of corn. And man, this smells just like homemade chicken and dumplings. Look at that. So let's give it a try. This is very good. It's big chunks of meat. I wish I hadn't used the salt in the flameless ration here. It needs a little bit of salt. Definitely needs some pepper, but don't have any pepper. So let's try some with some of the Tabasco sauce on it. All right. You can smell the vinegar in this. Don't know how it's gonna be. It's changed colors a little bit. Still should be all right. There we go. Yeah, it's got a real strong vinegary flavor to it, but it still has a little bit of kick to it. So let's try our strawberry dairy shake. That is good. Tastes like a protein shake, a strawberry flavored protein shake. And let's try our coffee. Coffee's perfect. It's not bitter. Right amount of water. It's still pretty strong, but I like my coffee strong like that. Okay, moving on to the cookie. Looks really good. Again, this is a shortbread cookie. That's really good. Give it a little dip in the coffee. I know everybody wanted me to. I could hear everybody when I was holding this cookie saying, dip it, dip it. Okay, and then we tried the coffee beans. Really good. And the wheat snack bread. And now for the moist towelette. And it's still moist. Look at that. And it has no smell, but it's really wet. So on the menu 22 chicken and dumplings, I give the chunky peanut butter a 10. Man, you can't go wrong with peanut butter. And then being chunky too, man. Grape jelly, it's a little bit liquid, still has a great flavor. The shortbread cookie tastes perfect. Doesn't taste old, still crunchy. And the chocolate covered cocoa beans, coffee beans. Never had those before. Not gonna eat too many of them because it's already in the evening. The wheat snack bread tastes like everyday snack bread that you get in all the MREs. The peanut butter makes it really good. The chicken and dumplings, perfect. I give it a 10. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. The strawberry dairy shake, like I said, it tastes like a protein shake. Definitely a 10. And the coffee, excellent. I want to give a big shout out to Sticky Finger 745. Put a link in the description to his channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, ring the bell, watch all of his awesome videos. Without him, this review wouldn't be possible. So as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get this ration because we only sell foreign rations. But you can get your fresh discounted ration at ForeignMRE.com. Thanks for watching.